New build versus existing, which one is right for you? Obviously, all depends on the strategy. It might be different every time we go and purchase as an investor. Let's look at the first of all, the build. Number one is lower stamp duty costs. So you're able to get into the purchase at a cheaper point or less deposit because you're only paying stamp duty on the land and not the overall house and land. The second one is it's brand new. So ideally going forward, the next 5 to 10 years are pretty much maintenance free. It's a brand new home. It's a nice fresh feel for the tenants and everyone involved. And the third one is large depreciation. So maximum depreciation when it's at its newest. In this form of a house, you get that for the next 30 years, but obviously the first 10 years are the highest. Which obviously if we've got a tax issue, we've got some tax benefits there as a result of that high depreciation amount. So there's the top three for a new build. In respect to existing, number one is it's simple, it's straightforward, it's right there. I go to an open home, I walk through the house, I put in an offer, I buy the property. Second one is any location around the country. You can choose any street, any suburb, etc. As long as the house is for sale, I've got it there to purchase straight away. And the third one is I can get a tenant in, or a tenant may in fact be already in there, so you know your rental amounts going forward. You can plan your cash flow around that. Okay, so three positives for both of those strategies. Both work depending on your situation. You need to obviously talk to a specialist in that respect, but stick to your strategy and execute.